For Diwali, we always need some cards. Let's make Diwali cards. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. And to subscribe me at Aishmin DIY my channel. Hello my DIY ticks. If you are new here, I am Aishmin and welcome to my channel Aishmin DIY. Now let's get started. Here's the Diya and the candle Diwali card. The list of the material is given below. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. If you find this card interesting, do hit the like button and comments below. Do subscribe me at Aishmin DIY my channel and hit the bell button. And don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care of your dream. The list of material is given in the description. The list of the material is given in the description. The list of the material is given. The list of the material is given in the list of the material is given in the description box.